What's up guys, my name is Buberino and welcome. You know the drill, we are at RainGG, so we gonna make some money. We have 500 coins in the balance just to play with and have a little bit fun and also profit. Before I start, don't forget, if you want to deposit, click right here or use the link on the description to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases, so you always win using my code. So let's first go to some cheaper cases. We're gonna go at first, I'm gonna just put some random $5 cases and we're gonna go to 50. 54 sounds good to me. We're gonna go to verse 2 and let's go. Damn, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are all amazing. Last time at RainGG we didn't have luck, so I hope it changes right now. I hope we can drop some good things. Not like this. Come on, bruh. First battle of the day. Need to win. 10x almost from that case. Go, 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 go. Damn, okay. Alright, I mean, it's a cheap battle, so I don't mind losing if we win the expensive ones. So I will just waiting for that, since we're gonna do even more battles. Okay, 2 to go. I don't believe that we can come back, but there's no problem because we still have a lot of money. Hydra? Yeah, but still cheap skins. Okay, we lost. Don't worry. 2 verse 2 again, and we gonna go to a little bit more expensive but safe. Let me just check the safe ones. This, if it's green, I'm gonna play it. So I guess I'm gonna go to 100 right now. 2 verse 2 again, call the bots and let's get it. Offline I did like I went to from 500 to 1.3k, but when I record it seems that I have like unlucky times. It's weird. But maybe we can do something on these cases since they are less hard to get something good from them. But still it's not even paying and we have 5 cases to go. Okay, let's wait and see. Not again. Bro, bots are being really crazy right now. They are always dropping such nice skins and always winning the battles. Okay, double drop, maybe we can get something, but we still need. Stop, please stop, don't you dare. Good boy, that's what I'm talking about. We really need something big. Stop. Okay, we are on the lead right now. If they... and they just did it. Bruh. No freaking way. I cannot celebrate since they win again. How much? 100? 150. Bro. Okay. Let me check if we can win. I don't think he can, even if we drop the best The best weapon? I don't think we can, right? Nope, we did lost. So I guess I'm gonna do 150 this time. Let me just check these more expensive cases. 150 and another one. Guys, please don't forget to use the link on the description to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases. It keeps me making these videos for you guys. Surveillance. Hyper Beast, not bad. How much? 71. I accept that. Okay, double P90, 33. Maybe it's our time to shine, but I don't want to celebrate early. Right now it's not even paying, but we still have 3 cases to go. Oh, right? Yeah, okay. Down, 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 down. Yes! Finally! Freaking finally! Some good drop. Finally, how much? 267? Stop! Oh damn, but we are coming back. If we win this one, we can come back a little bit. Okay, we won. How much? How much do we have? We are in profit. Just this battle just paid huge. So I guess I'm gonna create a 251 to verse 2. Let me just check some even more expensive cases. And I'm gonna go to these ones. 250. We can do that, and if we win, I just stop betting today. So 2 verse 2 again, and let's freaking go. If we will win this one, I'm just gonna quit. Bruh. No freaking way. This drop gonna be huge. Just check it. How much? 266. Damn. I think RainGG just heard me. I will stop playing, and they went, nope, you not. Okay, double, double. Oh my god, this is huge for us. This is huge. Come on. Double. How much? I mean, it's not that much. Oh, forget what I was saying. Another rain. Damn. This special is making us come back. Stop. Fra. How much it was the other one? 375. Okay, it will pay a lot. But it's going. I won't complain about it. Because right now everyone is having profit, so I really cannot complain. I just hope that they don't drop a rain and... Okay, forget what I was saying. Please, a cheap one. 95, I guess we are still on the lead. And stop. How much? 700 from a $262 case. Right now we ended up the video with 1.1k. It's $600 profit. So I will not even play more, and this is crazy. I guess the next video will be my last video on RainGG, maybe, but if we drop a lot we will keep playing, because RainGG right now is just profit us so much. $600 in 10 minutes, it's just crazy. So guys, thank you again for watching. Also, don't forget, if you want to play, use the link on the description to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases. Just a small deposit and you can earn the cases. And also, if you want to try your luck and like me having profit, you are free to do it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Cheers!